In this video, I will show you how to revolutionize your workflow by connecting Claude directly to Notion for instant content brainstorming. Many creators struggle with writer's block or the tedious task of moving ideas from a chat window into their planning tools, but this simple integration solves that problem. To get started, open your Claude chat window and navigate to the chat bar where you usually type your messages. You need to look for the plus icon located inside the chat bar. Clicking this icon will open up your available integrations and tools. From the list provided, find Notion and make sure you toggle it to the on position. This allows Claude to communicate effectively with your workspace. Once the connection is live, it is time to use a powerful prompt to get the best results. You should clearly state your target niche, your specific audience, and the platform where you plan to post. For example, you can type a command asking Claude to create a new page in your Notion content ideas database called something like travel vlog ideas or marketing tips. In the same prompt, tell Claude to generate exactly 10 headline ideas, a compelling brief hook for each one, and a defined target audience for the posts. Because the integration is active, Claude will not just give you a list of text. Instead, it will actually build the content brainstorm board inside your Notion workspace instantly. This means you do not have to copy and paste anything. You can simply open Notion and find a perfectly formatted list of ideas waiting for you to execute. This workflow saves hours of manual entry and keeps your creative process organized in one central location. It is the fastest way to turn a spark of inspiration into a structured content plan. I hope this helps you streamline your creation process so you can spend more time filming and less time organizing.